Imagine a mountain so colossal that it dwarfs any peak on Earth. A mountain so massive it rises beyond the clouds of Mars, piercing the thin Martian atmosphere with its towering presence. Welcome to Olympus Mons, the tallest planetary mountain in our solar system. Hey there, cosmic explorers. Today we're venturing into the depths of space to explore one of the most incredible wonders in our solar system. We're talking about a mountain that makes Mount Everest look like a hill, a behemoth that has been sculpted over billions of years of volcanic activity. Strap in, because today we're climbing Olympus Mons. First, let's get our bearings. Olympus Mons stands at an astounding 13.6 miles, or about 22 kilometers tall. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth. But Olympus Mons isn't just tall, it's also incredibly wide. It spans roughly 370 miles, or 600 kilometers, across. Imagine a volcano so massive that it covers an area the size of the entire state of Arizona. This isn't just a mountain, it's a geological giant, and its formation is a story billions of years in the making. So how did such a massive mountain form on Mars? To understand this, we need to take a closer look at the red planet's volcanic history. Unlike Earth, Mars doesn't have tectonic plates that move around. On Earth, these plates shift over volcanic hotspots, creating chains of volcanoes like the Hawaiian Islands. But on Mars, the crust is static, it doesn't move. This allowed Olympus Mons to grow bigger and bigger over time, as the same spot on the crust kept erupting. Imagine a giant cosmic layer cake, where each layer is another ancient lava flow. Over millions, no billions of years, Olympus Mons grew to its colossal height. Now let's talk about the role Mars's atmosphere plays in this. The atmosphere on Mars is incredibly thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's. You might think this would make volcanic eruptions less dramatic, but it actually does something fascinating. On Earth, a thick atmosphere helps to shape volcanic mountains, causing lava to cool and solidify quicker. But on Mars, the thin atmosphere means lava can flow further and spread wider before cooling, contributing to the gentle, sprawling slopes of Olympus Mons. That's why, even though Olympus Mons is tall, its slopes are remarkably gentle, averaging only about a 5-degree incline. But what would it actually be like to climb Olympus Mons? Let's imagine setting off on this interplanetary expedition. First things first, you'd need to be prepared for a long journey. The climb to the summit of Olympus Mons would cover a distance greater than a marathon, a whopping 70 miles or 113 kilometers, depending on your path. And because of the gentle slope, it wouldn't be an uphill struggle like Everest, but more of a gradual trek across rough terrain. You'd also have to account for the extreme conditions, temperatures that can drop to minus 125 degrees Celsius at night, a thin atmosphere that offers no protection from cosmic radiation, and gravity only about 38% of Earth's. But there's an upside to that lower gravity. It means you'd weigh less, and every step would take you further. Imagine bounding along the Martian surface, with each stride covering more ground than you ever could on Earth. However, reaching the summit isn't just about making it up the mountain. At over 13 miles high, you'd be dealing with incredibly thin air, almost non-existent oxygen levels, and the constant threat of dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. Section 5. The Summit, a Volcanic Wonder. After weeks of traversing the expansive Martian landscape, you'd finally reach the summit, a sprawling caldera that's one of the largest in the solar system. The caldera is a breathtaking sight formed by the collapse of the volcano's magma chamber after a massive eruption. It's so large you could fit the entire city of Los Angeles inside with room to spare. Standing here, you'd not only be on top of the tallest mountain in the solar system, but also at one of the best vantage points to study the Martian landscape. You could peer into the depths of Mars, where secrets of the planet's volcanic past are still being unearthed. Section 6. The Mysteries of Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons isn't just a giant volcano, it's a place of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Some scientists speculate it could still be geologically active today. That's right, even though we haven't seen an eruption in modern times, there's a possibility that magma still flows deep beneath the surface. Could there be hidden chambers filled with molten rock? What about the strange grooves around its base? Could they be evidence of ancient glaciers or something more alien? And then there's the question of life? Could extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments, exist beneath the surface, in pockets of warmth left over from ancient volcanic activity? We found life in similar conditions on Earth, so why not here? Section 7. Olympus Mons and the future of Mars exploration. As we look to the future, Olympus Mons could play a key role in our exploration of Mars. Its towering height makes it a perfect candidate for a scientific outpost, where we could study the atmosphere, the planet's geology, and even search for signs of past life. Think about it, a human outpost on the edge of the solar system's tallest mountain, looking out across the Martian plains. It's not just a dream, it's a vision that could come true within our lifetime, and who knows? Maybe one day you could be one of the explorers who sets foot on this Martian giant, uncovering its secrets for the very first time. Conclusion: Olympus Mons is more than just a mountain. It's a symbol of Mars' fiery past and a beacon for its future potential. As we continue to explore our solar system, landmarks like Olympus Mons remind us of the vast, uncharted mysteries waiting out there among the stars. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey to the Red Planet's greatest peak. If you enjoyed this adventure, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our cosmic explorations. Until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and always reach for the stars.